Today, we'll explore 10 lesser-known websites where you may make money online every day. These digital jewels could become your next side business. These 10 websites, which few people know about, can help you make up to $300 USD every day. Welcome back. It's lovely to have you back, and thank you to my supporters. I'll offer you something truly special. Big on yourself now with so many ways to make money online. It's very easy for some top websites to get lost in the sea of all the plethora of ways that you can make money online. So what I'm going to do today is shed light on some of the lesser-known websites and apps that you can use to make money daily online. And here's the great thing about it being less known or unpopular or not talked about is a lot of people haven't signed up yet. So if you're one of, you'll be able to take advantage of many of these possibilities, as they don't get as much attention now that the class is in session because you have your post notification switched on. Playtest Cloud is the first website on the list right now to demonstrate how these work. If you've never heard of Playtest Cloud, I bet you haven't heard of Under the Radar. Just put PTC in the description so I know to listen. We are aware of the fact that you are not providing us with fresh information. I will take your criticism into consideration and modify my approach to make sure that, when I come here and claim to be bringing you websites that no one is talking about, I am actually bringing you PTC, or Playtest Cloud, in the comments if you are unfamiliar with this one. If you've never heard of this one, let's get started now. This one is for gamers who enjoy playing games on mobile devices. Playtest Cloud offers a special opportunity to make money because you're essentially doing what you enjoy. The service actually specializes in playing games on mobile devices, which will aid app developers in optimizing the product that they're developing. And here's the best part. According to playtestcloud.com, you no longer need to be a qualified tester to take part. They test about 100,000 games annually, and players are typically compensated $9 for every 15 minutes of testing they complete. As a result, you can earn 9 times 4, or $36 per hour. If you do this for 8 hours each day, you can earn $288 per day. You don't need to worry if you don't have a subscription because I'll be displaying the real web pages, so you can simply perform a Google search using the information displayed. You're getting the information. Now let's move on to the second under-the-radar website on our list that nobody is talking about, which is Nexus Notes. Nexus Note is ideal for conscientious students or those who love taking notes, and I was that student in school because my notebook was extremely organized to the point where one of my side hustles was to sell my note. When a student accesses your study notes, coursework, or any other academic content that you are sharing on this website, you will be paid $17.50. Isn't that incredible? Now I can only imagine that this website has thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, of students who are accessing these notes, so that $17.50 will increase exponentially, and it will definitely enable your 3 goals. I'm adding it to the list because I'm aware that there are still prospects. Trimata.com is the website in question, and you should know that it has unknown earning potential. Trimata pays you to test the usability of websites and mobile apps. You can expect to make about $10 for each test, and here's the best part. The tests typically take you 10 to 20 minutes to complete. Assuming that each test takes an average of 15 minutes, you can complete 4 tests in an hour, which equals $40 per hour. If you can complete 4 tests in an hour, you can potentially make $488 per day. Using user interviews, you can make money by sharing your opinions with organizations like Spotify, Adobe, and Pinterest. It's a very reputable website with more than 2,000 studies added each month. There's more than enough for everyone, but with that many studies added, there is plenty of opportunity for you to earn a generous payment of up to $100. Since those studies, which cost $300, won't take up the entire day. Their website is userinterviews.com. I'm sure you've heard of the next website on the list, which is called U.S. Review of Books for Bookworms. This is your chance to rejoice. The U.S. Review of Books actually pays you to read books and to write reviews. Can you imagine getting paid anywhere from $25 to $75 US per review, especially if reading is one of your hobbies, because it will feel like you're working for nothing and earning this money at the same time. It's one of the best ways to earn money from your hobby of reading, and you'll be able to complete several reviews in a day to get to your target of $300 US per day. I had never heard of this one before I started researching for this video, but once I checked out the website usreview.com, I became hooked. Because of this, I'm positive you haven't either. If you haven't, let me know in the comments. It pays $75 per review and manifests with. Additionally, Find Focus Groups. Find Focus Group links you to paid focus groups that are accessible in your region. There is a lot of opportunity for high earners with Find Focus Group, but payouts will vary and they range greatly based on the type of focus group that you're engaging in. It's quite easy to apply. All you have to do is fill out a form for a particular focus group and wait to hear back from them. Their website is findfocusgroups.com. Now for this one, you may have heard of it, or at least heard of its competitor, and it is called Rapify. With Rapify, you can make money simply by driving your automobile. What a great way to make money from a liability. This app will pay you to have your car professionally wrapped with advertising for a company or a brand, and as you drive it around, you'll be able to earn. You could potentially make $200 to $400 per month just by driving around a car that you have to drive anyway, that has a particular brand wrapped around it in a professional manner, because your car is really a liability, considering that it's just costing you money, even though they say on paper it's an asset. Mark is the upcoming under-the-radar website that you can utilize to make up to $300 every day. Because, based on the work you are given right now, you will make $35 per hour at most as a secret shopper for Best. You can benefit from free services and earn money on Mark, a site for secret shopping. If you want me to make this $35 per hour mark, you'll execute activities and submit information about your personal experience when shopping. So it's essentially doing something you love to do and giving a review of your shopping experience that's really simple. Their website is bestmark.com. Next on our list is ProductTube, where you can publish video reviews and get between $50 and $80 per hour if you follow their guidelines. But incredible way to make money on this specific unnoticed website. ProductTube is a premium video survey app that actually pays you for making brief videos about commonplace products. There are a number of ways to make money with this app, but whichever route you take, you'll be able to earn between $50 and $80 USD per hour for the review video that you are posting. Their website is producttube.com. Now I'm hoping that since thousands of others watching this video will also visit these websites, which are hidden from view when you go there, that it will help. But because they're so unnoticed, you'll be able to find opportunities that suit your needs. Some of these opportunities will, irrespective of where you live in the world, while others won't. I've provided the content. The least you can do is assess what will make sense and what will suit your needs. That's all for now. Until next time, walk well.